it should be a rare occurrence for you to buy a salad dressing at the store. And I say that because they're getting a little bit better with not putting as many additives in some dressings, but I have found it very challenging to find a dressing that has just clean ingredients, meaning ingredients that I can pronounce, okay? And that it doesn't have gums and fillers and preservatives. And it's so easy to make dressings at home. And those ones that are really clean at the store tend to be pretty expensive. And you can make dressings with what you have at home. So I'm gonna teach you a really basic apple cider vinaigrette today. The basic rule of thumb, and you can use this for all ingredients. I keep mine in a mason jar so that once I'm done with the ingredients, I can just shake them up. But I want you to start with your vinegar. So we're using apple cider vinegar today. So I'm gonna do about, that's probably about 1/4 cup of vinegar. And then the rule of thumb with vinaigrettes is to do double the amount of olive oil to vinegar. So I did about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm just gonna drizzle in when it looks to be about double of the vinegar that I added. And the great thing about this is you can just leave it on your counter and you have it at the ready for salads and to toss vegetables with. You can even use it as a topping for chicken or anything like that. So we're just doing apple cider vinegar, olive oil. I added about double the olive oil, and then salt. Okay, so I have everything in here. I put the lid on, and now we just shake. Do a little dance too.